Welcome to the Waylon by HHHunt Homes. What's not to love about this townhome? With up to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 2-car garage, this home can certainly check all your new home boxes. We have paid attention to detail in the user-friendly, architecturally stunning floor plan. Directly off your garage is a huge flex space and powder room. We also offer an optional bedroom. If you're searching for an open concept floor plan, then welcome home. Whether you're finding your inner chef in this amazing kitchen, gathering around the dining room table, or watching the game, you will feel connected. Your spacious owner's suite aims to please with this beautiful private bathroom and a large walk-in closet. The Waylon also includes 2 more upstairs bedrooms, another full bath, and conveniently located laundry area. No more laundry trips up and down the stairs. Thanks for touring the Waylon. For more information on this beautiful home, visit HHHuntHomes.com. Because at HH Hunt, we believe it's how you live that matters.